Hi, today we are at Hamilton Storage in Domat Ems. With me is Tobias Gafafer. You're the product manager of these products we see behind us. And the slogan at Hamilton is, "We drive innovation to improve people's life." How do you do that at storage?
So I guess everybody of you was already sick one time in their life. And you had some medicine to get healthy again. And as you probably know, most medicines are not growing on trees, but they're developed and researched. And basically the foundation of every medicine is a compound. And a compound is a small chemical substance which is used and transferred then into a medicine. And basically these substances are held in libraries of millions and millions in such small tubes. And managing these tubes, making the right tubes available at the right time for the right person within the company to do the research for new medicine, that is the task of our storage systems. And we have here a Verso system that is quite a small size Verso system. It's already huge, but it can be as long as 20 meters and holding the whole compound library of a global pharma company like Novartis or so.
Great. And is there also a solution for smaller companies?
Absolutely. 2 years ago, we launched the Verso Q20, and this compact storage system, it has about the size of a standard lab freezer, is already a fully automated storage system. So a smaller lab can place this storage system right into their lab, right next to the liquid handler, right next to the lab bench, and still benefit from a fully automated storage system. So no manual sample picking, but just requesting the samples and getting them out. For customers who need more storage capacity than what they fit into a Verso Q20, but still want to have the storage system inside their lab, we have developed the Verso Q50. And you see it's looking very similar, but it's extended. In fact, it has double the capacity. And if that is not enough, we have even developed the Verso Q75, which is even longer and offering even more capacity, but still giving the customer the ability to store the whole system in their lab.
So could you please show how to operate the system?
You can do it yourself. Just take the rack, there are some samples on it, place it on the I/O module.
That simple?
Yeah, that's job done. So now let's go for a coffee. All the rest is done by the system. So identifying the tubes, putting the tubes to the right location, putting it into high density format racks, noting into the database which tube is located at which position. That's all done by the Verso Q series system.
So to store the samples, that was super easy. How can we get the samples out of the machine?
Yeah, I think it's best you try yourself. So select the samples you like to get out of the system on the screen, then say run pick job. And immediately the system starts running and collecting all the samples you have selected. And you can use them for research. So of course, we do not have to select the samples on the screen, but we also can import text files, or we have a software interface where a LIMS system could send jobs directly to the Q series and the system will start independently of any user interaction.
So it's quite impressive what this system can do. What else can you tell about this Q series?
So samples can be stored from temperature of 20 degrees all the way down to -20, anything in between. And I'm really proud to say that the Verso Q series has a cooling system which uses natural refrigerants. And natural refrigerants are up to 1,000 times more environmentally friendly than traditional refrigerants. And we took a lot of effort at Hamilton Storage to invent and develop this system to use natural refrigerants. Also, the Verso Q50 and Verso Q75, they have redundant refrigeration built in, so meaning they have two cooling units, and if one loses power or has an issue, the other one is still there to keep the whole system cold. So perfectly safety for the samples. And that's especially for the colleagues from Hamilton Robotics. The Verso Q series can be integrated with a liquid handler. So that gives you a whole new ideas of combined systems. So having liquid handlers and having storage systems combined working together, that can serve customer needs which were not addressable before.
So Tobias, thank you very much for your explanations about the Q series. I wish you many other innovations for the future and have a great day.